In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to use alligator pepper for spiritual justice and revenge. If your hands are clean and somebody or a group of people are conspiring against you or are accusing you of something which you did not do, okay, you can use alligator pepper to get justice and revenge. Okay, some have lost their job, some have lost their career, some are now jobless because their colleague in the place of work or somebody in the place of work have accused them of something which they did not do, and this have made them lost their job. Okay, now this has been a very big problem in your life because you cannot be able to find a new job since then. Okay, and you want to get justice, you want to get revenge. This video is for you. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to use alligator pepper to get justice and revenge. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Kido and I share spirituality, PR, and nation, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you, you are not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay? If your hands are clean, if you did not commit anything, if you know that you are innocent, and somebody have accused you wrongly, somebody have, you know, accused you of something that you do not do, and this has led to you being sacked in your place of work, or you being, chased out of the place you are staying, and you don't know what to do. You want to get justice and revenge. Here is what you need to do. What you need to do is to get me alligator pepper. Okay, this is alligator pepper, a very powerful spiritual item. Okay, very powerful spiritual item. And when you get this alligator pepper, you are going to remove your shoe or your slippers and go on barefoot so that you connect with the earth. Okay, you connect with the universe, the earth. Okay, now when you stand on the barefoot, you are going to open the alligator pepper and pick out four seed of alligator pepper, four seed from the alligator. Now, four seed of alligator pepper represent the four corners of the earth: the east, the west, the north, and the south. Okay. So now when you pick that up, when you pick that four seed of alligator pepper, you're going to put it inside your mouth and start chewing it. And as you're chewing it, don't swallow it. Okay? You don't swallow that four seed of alligator pepper. Okay? You don't swallow it. Okay. Now, once you are chewing that alligator pepper, you are going to say, by the power of the alligator pepper, okay, by the power of the alligator pepper, I will get justice, okay, and I will get revenge. You call the name of the person that have accused you wrongly, okay. You call the name of the people that are conspiring against you as you are chewing that four seed of alligator pepper, okay. Once you have finished saying whatever you want to say, once you have finished saying whatever you want to say, you are going to spit out that alligator pepper, the pieces, that's the chaff, okay. You are going to spit it out from your mouth and spit it on the ground, okay. Now, these spiritual assignments, you should do it anytime in the night, okay. Anytime in the night, you should do this assignment anytime in the night. But make sure that when you are doing this other assignment, you are going on your barefoot to connect with the earth, okay. And you spit out this alligator pepper on the sand, not on the floor, not on the cemented place, okay. You spit it out on the sand, on the ground, okay. And once you finish doing this assignment, anybody that have accused you wrongly, anybody that have, conspired to, make you lose your job or your career or anything, you are going to get justice, okay. This is going to make them implicate themselves, and you're going to get justice and revenge, okay. This is what you should do if you want to get justice and revenge using alligator pepper, okay. I have not thought about this recipe here in this channel. I have not teach this recipe here in the channel, okay. So make sure that you do this for those that are being conspired against, okay, for those that are being chased out from their position because of lies and conspiracy, okay. This is what you should do for you to get justice and revenge, okay. Because some people don't have money, to go to court. Some people don't have money to call the lawyer and the police. Okay, but they want to get justice. Nobody's talking. Nobody's speaking for them. Okay, and they don't know how to speak. They are not good at that. Okay, this is a recipe that you can do to get justice. The universe will prove your innocence. Okay, the universe will make you, come out of that problem. Okay, so try and do this recipe. It's going to help you. Okay, to get justice. Okay, if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, please use the comment section. If you are not subscribed, please do want to subscribe. Okay, and if you want to chat me up, use the number showing on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number. Okay, try and do this recipe today, and you are going to get justice and revenge. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. Make sure that you do this assignment. You will never regret doing it. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.